left of it, but it should be okay. Hey, thanks. Ross can give me a line. Come on, Ross. Kind of quick too. Coming in. Good run at it, bro.
Thanks. I didn't take it back as what I usually do. Is that good? Yep. It actually helps. Yeah, I go way too far back. You watch mine. Gotta go.
Yeah.
Gotta go. Same speed as me.
Got scared.
The last hole. Good bogey here, Chris. He's putting on fire. Let's get his rainbow shoe. Another putt he made.
Come on.
Look at this.
Oh.
I thought that was nice.
Rip.
Need more center over.
Just turn your shoulders, man. Just turn your shoulders.
Oh, I towed it.
It's all right, though.
Yeah,
It's
it'll
gonna roll top in. I didn't hit mine that far.
It'll run. This fairway is gorgeous. Look at this hill right here. Undulation. Woo! Oh. Undulations everywhere. Look at all these. Dang, look at this. All over the place. Whoa. All right, 66 yards. Land and trickle down. Or hit the tree and drop down. Chip. Yeah. All right, thank you. Nice par. Nice par. Thank you. Woo! Oh, he ripped that. But he hit that right on line, though. Oh, went up. Just a little left, going for the birdie putt.
I thought you were going to hit it over the green.
We're all putting.
This is the best I've ever seen Chris play.
He played pretty good that one time when we played down. It wasn't at what was that course? I'm trying to think of it now. I can't remember the name of it. Where it dumped on us, right? He wasn't with us that day.
Was it Crooked Dog?
Crooked Dog, no. Not Crooked Dog.
Tell you what, this is makeable.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. And I didn't hit it.
Oh, that would have been pretty good if you hit that. That was on that line. Ross with the battle of the bunkers.
Oh, yeah. Boom.
Pounded that play.
Booyah, Ricky Fowler style. Booyah, booyah. Yeah.
There you go. 5 foot past it. 5 foot past it. I was thinking that line looks pretty good. If not, it's gone.
Where's that ball I hit for you?
Oh, yeah, thank you, sir. Just throw it back in there.
Huge par. Huge.
Yeah, that's a good par, man. Yeah, that's a rip, man. Yeah. So with this course, we're playing back like 6,900 yards because Ross likes to play way back here. Even though he ain't hit a golf ball in 2 months. So he's like, oh, we should play back here because 64 is too short. So we're playing back here, and I'm not a long driver, so I drive it 250, 240, around there. I had the one 267 that I crushed. This one I crushed pretty good, but it's uphill, so it's not gonna go that far. But yeah, he wants to, you know, play up here. But I've got hitting 5 and 6s into greens instead of hitting 8 or 9 irons. It's a lot tougher, but it is fun. The day is beautiful out. It's not hot. It's like 75 degrees in Florida when it's been 90 for the last 8 months. 90, 95 degrees, so we're enjoying it. You hit good balls, you enjoy it. This hole right here on the card is 432. It leaves me 180 in. I have 179 to the pin, which is in the back. So it's probably 170 to the middle. So let's do some math. 170, that's like 260 from 432. It's like a 260 drive. And it's like, wow. Of course, I just said 260. It could be off, but. She's on.
A little long.
I know, but good run.
Is that for a birdie?
Yeah. Wow. Did not come back. It's pretty, man. Roll. First 6 in a row.
Might be a little one ball right to left.
That's disappointing.
It leaks right, man. It just leaks right.
1-5.
Wow.
Choked again.
No, that tree got you, man.
That's what I got a 6. Oh, okay.
Ross, the tree got you, bro.
Oh, yeah, I saw the tree. I can't hit high stuff. Never have. I saw it.
Ross is a low bullet guy. I wanted that par. That's a 90. Yeah,
A
I
direct
wanted
90.
that
That
par.
par is like a birdie.
Yeah, it is. A par's like a birdie out here. Ripper up the left.
Yep.
Damn, you scared me with that. I didn't even know what was going on.
You're out of the way.
All right, those guys up ahead there. It's like 260 yards. I'm gonna hit just the 4, get it 200 yards, see what happens. All right, as soon as they move up, because they're really slow. So I hit my 4 up here in front of this group that was in front of us, and the guy was a little close to my ball, and that's what he did right there. He stomped a mud hole in it because I hit it too close to him. So yeah, I would apologize, but they're already gone. Oh well. Ball is all clean now. 72 yards to the pin. Some people just get a little angry. Heads up. Yep, I blew that one out of my rear end.
Sit.
All right. That hole. Blew it.
Right at the tree. I mean, like dead at it.
Went underneath the duck.
Yeah.
Oh, rip. Drawing in. Oh, he's right at that tree.
Yeah, he's all right over there.
Up the right center. Yep. Pull that way left. I can't see a thing. Oh my gosh.
You got this, bro. Come on.
Okay.
Too hard. There you go. Hit it a little too hard. All right, putt for par. Long putt for par. Oh, that's really good.
Wow, not
That's
bad.
really good.
Not bad, not bad. I put this in, I won $20.
$20? Dang, son.
Can you pull that, Chris? Actually, tendon. Oh, ran out of juice, you little son of a gun. That was tracking big time. Ah, thank you. Chris misses this, okay.
Ah! Burned it.
This is Chris's putt of the year right here.
Do it.
$20 bill on the line. That's dinner, Chris. Oh! Suck!
He sunk it, man.
He said, get out of my grill, yo.
Yo, yo,
Out
yo.
of my grill.
There you go. Did your putt go straight?
Bogey?
Yeah.
Good putt. Bogey?
Yep.
3 bogeys.
Bogues around.
Not bad.
Bogues around.
Okay, we'll see. Good round. Come on. Minus the X.
Yeah, minus the X.
Good round, mister. Chris did 120.
I'm done with golf.
Chris did $120.
Hey, flag, flag. Oh, I got it. Never mind. And that's Crooked Cat, people. Hope you enjoyed.